What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Folks, listen. They done done it again. They done it again. I mean, look. I was just going to my mailbox again, minding my own business. You hear me? I went to the mailbox again, and there I go again. There I go again. Let me show you what they did. I was going to my mailbox. Let me see, can I turn my camera around? I was going to my mailbox. Oh man, I can't get my camera to turn around. But I was going to my mailbox again, and all of a sudden, here you go. Another one. Can you see it? Another check. They keep coming, folks. They keep coming. Look, let me tell you, this is for real. I mean, that mailbox, I enjoy walking to that mailbox right there now. You hear me? I enjoy walking back and forth to that mailbox more than anything. I mean, I used to be walking back and forth getting a bill, and I'd be like, but now when I walk back and forth, I'd be smiling, man. I love this stuff. Look, Steve Gresham, big ups to you. Kenneth Reed, big ups to you, man, like always. I mean, hey, man, I'm so tickled about this. I mean, I'm just glad that checks are in the mail. Right there. There it go. There it go. There it go. Let me see. Bam. Checks is in the mail, people. If you want to learn and you want to know more about how to get checks in your mailbox, how to, hey, just sharing a little information with some folks, showing them how to save on their travel. You saving on things that you already doing. I mean, folks, it just makes so much sense. If it didn't make sense, then, I wouldn't even be telling you this. Like I said, I heard my good friend say, it makes sense to you now. It'll make dollars to you later. So look, get with me. And look, go to my website below. Go to my website below. And get with me. And I show you what's going on. I show you all the ins and out about the business, and we can start getting checks to your mailbox. Also, if you want to, you can call me 706. Oh, 706 518-9041. I'm so excited right now for getting my own phone number. 706-518-9041. Call me and I just show you how to start getting checks in your mail. I'm serious. I'm serious about this. Go to your mailbox and get you some checks. Until next time, I'll see you at the top, not from the top. Talk to you today. Corey Ross here. Goodbye.